Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this DIY Crystal Glamorous acrylic lighted wedding centerpiece. It is super easy to do. Please stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and measure the center of an acrylic cube. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the dimension down of the acrylic rod as well as the size of this acrylic cube. So once you've figured out where the center of your cube is, you could use a ruler to measure it. I'm going to go ahead and take my acrylic rod, take this acrylic glue. You guys seen me use this glue multiple times on my channel already before. Okay, you're going to take some of the glue. Remember, this glue is very liquidy, so you want to make sure that you put a very small amount because you can make a mess everywhere if you're not very careful using this glue. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the glue, put a little bit at the bottom of my acrylic rod. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the center of my cube, exactly like this. Now, the beautiful thing about this glue is it dries pretty quickly. So I would say hold it with your hands manually for about a minute if you can, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead and get it to stick. I already have one that's already pre-made and ready to go, and this is how it's going to look once it's done drying, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and take this small square plexi sheet that you see right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my acrylic glue, put a little bit on top, place it right in the center of my acrylic rod. So once you figure out where the center is, you're gonna hold it down for about 1 minute. So this is already fully dry, already ready to go. This is glass. This is not made out of acrylic. I did purchase this from the Dollar Tree. I will put the link in the description box below as well. I'm going to take this acrylic cutting board, I'm going to take this glass cutting board. I'm going to go ahead and place it at the top of my rod. You could use your Gorilla Glue. I've used my Gorilla Glue or E6000 glue or whatever, strong bonding glue that you may have. You're going to go ahead and put some of the glue on top, and then you place your cutting board right at the center. So I have about 8 crystal garland you see right here. I have already went ahead and I cut them down to the size that I wanted them to be. This is a glass crystal garland, so you'll need about 8 crystal garland. Each one of them could be a different length, high, low that you would like. The sizing is completely up to you. Go ahead and take my tea light globe you see right here. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to this little hook you see, this hook ring you see right here. You're going to need about 8 of these cute little tea light globes. you have them hanging at different length. You don't want all of them to be the same length, because if they are the same length, then they all are going to clash against one another. So it looks absolutely beautiful. I really love how it turned out. Comment below and let me know of what you think of the outcome. I'm gonna go ahead and take my half foam disc and my round foam. I'm gonna take my hot glue, put some hot glue all over my round foam disc. I'm gonna put like a good amount, because you want to make sure that your half foam stays in place. Flip it over. You want to make sure that it lands somewhere in the center. Okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with doing my flower arrangement. So for this project, of course, you could use whatever flowers that you would like. All the flowers, I'm going to list it in the description box below. So if you would like to know where I purchased all my flowers, please check the description box underneath this video.